You're watching EDS TV.
The camera claims they did nothing wrong because, quote-unquote, the light turned green when they crossed the line. I wonder how insurance is going to rule this. Honestly, this one really upset me. He truly went out of his way to soak the panhandler. I hope karma gets him in the future. I'm sure it will. The Nissan slowed down to avoid the blown tire threads on the road, only to run it over anyways. The Nissan pulled over but left. The second car fled. The third and fourth car had major damage. Footage was given to all parties. This is straight up being a douche. They don't want to wait for another light cycle, so they'll make everybody going straight wait. Looks like someone trying to stop their drunk friend from driving, according to the camera. This could have ended much worse. Hopefully, they got out of the car. I had this happen today actually, but in the opposite way. The person was in the straight lane with a green light, and I'm approaching the light and they made a sudden left turn almost into me. They hit the brakes the same time as I did. The driver of the blue car got cited the moment the camera showed the video to the officers. The percentage of drivers that understand that you should put your own turn signal before you start slowing down to turn is ridiculously low. The camera admits he was at fault here. He admits that he shouldn't have been tailgating this close and that this was a learning lesson for him.
Yes, 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 yes.
Two idiots. They both had plenty of time to stop as opposed to trying to beat the light. And with that being said, that is one of the longer yellow lights I've seen in my life.
You bought it? What?
I got.
You guys bought it? I thought you didn't.
I bought it, but then.
There was no attempt to stop whatsoever. You can even see that after she hit and bounced off, she hit again since her foot was still on the gas pedal.
Over the course of this summer, spraying into the funnel, that stuff has changed. But that's tomorrow. Rain arrives on Friday, but showery out there. The temperatures will start to fall off.
Unrelated to crashes, but the foliage is lovely. It's almost peak season, and honestly, I'm here for it after such a long summer.
Store for $25,000.
You bought it?
What? I got.
You guys bought it? I thought you didn't.
I bought it, but then.
Remember the clip before the last? Well, this is the front view of it. the rear ender definitely would be held liable for both vehicles. I'm going to guess they thought that they could make the exit in front of the camera, and then realized it was futile. Or Mustangs doing Mustang things. The driver forgot to put the car in park and rolled it into the back of the Jeep. She then just decided to leave instead of notifying the camera. Thankfully, the Ring doorbell camera picked up the whole thing.
And you offer this defense because all of us done lived long enough that we seen somebody kicking like the way he's kicking. And we seen how negative that turns out. We see the obvious consequence.
The camera can thank his lucky stars to be endowed with such amazing cat-like reflexes.
Hear the album tracks that slip through the cracks. One of more than 200 channels available only in the SXM app. Search Octane Deep Cuts.
The driver initially fled the scene, but thankfully came to their senses and pulled over onto the next street. Also, they did wait for the police to arrive to file a report.
I think vans are fucking great.
People don't talk a lot about like getting kidnapped in the pickup truck. What you want?
Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god, what, you fucking miss your turn? What?
I don't know why, but I was surprised when I heard a second voice. My incoherent ramblings are just myself insulting other drivers. The driver claimed that her dogs were distracting her. I don't know how much I believe that story though.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.